Akiaria ari kaunti-ini ya Isiolo hindi iria arekinyitie gicunjĩ-inĩ kia mugunda uria thukuru wa gwika uthuthuria ugokorwo giakwo. Murugamiriri munene thukuru-ini wa githirikari KSG Professor Ledeki Chwea ni ugite wona thukuru ucio warika uthuthuria uria uritabanagĩrio kuo ni guteithĩrĩria thirikari hari kugacirithia mitaratara yayo ya kioneki gia 2030 ari hamwe na ituge inya cia mutongoria wa bururi na muno futhi wa irio.
We hope that the findings from the research center will go a long way in assisting government as it embarks or continues to implement the goals and programs under the Kenya Vision 2030.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Isiolo Mohamed Kuti akinyita bururi-endekithia ria waki ucio ni ugite thukuru ucio ni uguteithiriria Aikari ya kaunti yo hamwe na Aikari ya kaunti iria irigicĩirie ta Marsabit, Meru, Laikipia, Thamburu, Wajir na Garissa.
Collaborated with Kenya School of Government to train our staff, the chief officers, the CECs, and very recently we have sent 50 young people to be trained on issues of entrepreneurship.
Kuhana uguo murugamiriri munene wa bodi ya wonania wa thenema guku bururi-ini Ndagitari Ezekiel Mutua ni acoketie ngatho ni riciria riu undu mwena kuga thenema ya mbere iria iretwo Simale igukorwo iri thenema ya mbere kuerwo mwena ucio.
School of Government and the county government will go in a long way in harnessing the energies and creativity of the youth. Instead of getting into crime, we find something positive like Nollywood and engage them with using their creativity. And the bit of it, they can tell their stories in their mother tongue. It doesn't even have to be in English or Kiswahili. We want to build our culture and our values.
Oho, thirikari ya kaunti yo ni kunyitanira na bodi ya thenema niguo gukuria taranda cia mbeũ njithi aria maikaraga kaunti-ini ya Isiolo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.